welcome back to another video. He's walking away.
Yeah, he's gone.
Yep. But today we're going to be reviewing Snack Crate. Woohoo!
Scissors.
I got my medical
geez.
scissors.
Alright.
Alright.
Little backstory behind this. This is actually just like their pre-trial crate.
What is this like less?
This is just like this is like
Okay.
a mini crate.
A little test.
This is
We
a
just-
trailer crate.
And this is from Poland, right?
Poland. Yep.
Got a lot of Polish snacks.
Snack crate.
Pop her open.
Pop her open.
Ready to be flashed.
Whew.
Woo!
What do we got there?
We have want more snacks from Poland? Visit snackcrate.com/Poland.
Oh my god, look at these
Snack
Poland
crate
stickers.
snicker.
Beat the heat.
Look at these pierogies.
Did somebody say pierogis?
Oh, okay. So this just has like we have a mini crate. You can get the original crate, which has the contents of the mini and more, and you can do drink upgrade. Sorry. So you if we got the premium crate, we'd get all of this.
Look a lot.
Sweet. So if you guys like this video and want to see us do the premium crate,
Yeah.
definitely
Let us
shout it
know.
out and
Or
we'll probably get to that.
So what is Snack Crate? It's kind of like a subscription service. You get a box every month.
Yeah.
Mhm.
And
Of
it
candy.
has it's either has snacks, candy. If you do the drink option, a drink maybe can come with it to different countries. Like we had the option of there was Poland, I think Denmark,
Yeah.
Ireland,
Ireland
which
would be cool.
yeah, it's a fun time.
Cool.
Matt?
The unsealing. Should
Matt?
I do it with your surgical scissors?
Yeah, they're not. I don't
Oh,
use
jeez.
them. I don't really take them to work. Just anyone from work watching, I don't use them at work. I have a different pair. I swear.
What?
Matt, oh my gosh! I guess I'll never be able to use these at work because Matt's wrecking them.
I'm a surgeon.
You watch Grey's Anatomy?
Yes.
Ew. There's a lot of different.
You want me to read them all?
Yeah, pull it out first.
Zuli!
No, let's go one at a time though.
Yeah, one at a
Yeah.
time.
Okay, so we'll go start with Zuli.
Zuli, yeah.
Let me pop this.
Zazul.
Here, I'll
It's
put
not
this.
even
You dropped
Zuli,
the
it's
cookie.
Zazul. Rainbow.
Zazul Rainbow!
Okay, so these intensely sour fruit-flavored gummy ribbons are as colorful as they are flavorful.
Full of flavor.
Full of flavor. I can't read. Sure to make your lips pucker! Oh, are we both sending it?
Oh, I
Folding
guess.
all of them. So oh god.
Oh, that's a
That
lot.
was a mistake.
Why? It looks good.
Because how many?
I don't know.
Well, everyone grab a piece, so it's very
Very-
sticky.
Ooh, it smells amazing though.
It smells like
It's
it
like
smells
a
really
slap
sour.
of dink. What I
Not
expected.
super sour.
And you can tear them even too a bit.
Yeah.
It's like a berry, like a rainbow berry.
Yeah, you can tear them just like that one candy. I can't remember the name of it.
They're like the airhead things.
Yeah.
I mean, they're pretty good.
Yeah. I like them.
Yeah.
I'm a big sour person, so I wish that they were more sour, but okay.
Oh, yeah.
Next thing. Go ahead.
Pick something.
Oh shit! Throwing everything around. We're gonna start with this.
Ooh.
What a Jahooski glasses.
So, a crunchy candy bar coated with caramel, crispy rice, and dipped in chocolate. We've included either classic or coconut flavor.
We have classic.
Looks like we have the classic.
Clutch.
Oh my gosh. So I don't think there's nuts in here, Matt. I think it's just.
It looks like nuts, but yeah, maybe not.
I think they're the Rice Krispies. Oh
Cut it into
gosh.
three.
It's kind of like a crunch bar. Oh, these look really good. The black ones are way better than the. Oh shit, dog.
Alright.
Alright, well, guess I'm cleaning these later.
Okay, yeah, it's more crunchies. Nice.
It's like a crunch
Wait,
bar
what?
with caramel. Crunch bar with caramel. This is good.
This is good. This is a good day.
This is like.
This is a
between
good day
the
right
Twix
here.
and,
Oh, yes.
This is great. It's a great day off.
and a crunch bar.
Mm-hmm.
This is good. I'm satisfied. Thank you, Poland.
Thank you.
Oh, good.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Fresh fruity.
Oh,
Is
you all
there a-
take one.
Is there a thing about fresh fruity? Want to show
Fresh
the can?
and fruity.
Oh, this one's red.
So we got two different flavors of these little fresh fruity things. They look kind of like gummies. Feel like gummies, a little squishy.
Little
So,
squishy mushy? Squishy tushy? You want
Wow.
orange?
I'll take an orange.
Wowell Fresh and Fruity. These chewy fruit flavored gummies are filled with a sweet fruit jelly for a burst of fruity goodness in every bite.
Oh,
It's like a gusher.
it's gonna like explode in my mouth. You want red then?
Yeah, sure. What color do you have?
We got
I
got orange.
My packaging's red, but it looks orange. I'm using a scissors because I really like these scissors.
You're wrecking them.
Um,
Oh man,
Oh.
you got like yellow.
Yeah, mine's
that
a
like a
lemon peach, or I mean a lime lemon.
it smells like an orange, like a tangerine.
Oh, mine's for sure cherry. I think.
Oh.
Cherry, strawberry, something along those lines.
You think?
Oh, I can already tell. Right.
You want a trade?
Oh.
Yeah, it's very.
No,
strong.
if you just feel like the center of it, it just feels like gelatinous. Like,
Very.
oh.
Yeah, get a close up on that.
There's like, but you can like see, like look,
My
you can
imp.
see like jelly through it, right?
You should peanut butter and jelly one.
Can't see.
I'm going in. 3,
All right.
2, 1.
Oh, I can't even eat it right now. What flavor is yours?
Orange? It's the worst orange I've ever had.
It's so much more jelly than I expected.
Mine's fine. I like lemon.
Oh,
No, don't give me that shit. Uh-uh.
I can't do it.
Poland, you were up here. Now you're back down here. Alright, what's next? Malango de Arena. It's a heart.
It says you're going to heart this classic Polish
Ah.
gingerbread treat made from a recipe over 700 years old. A simply timeless recipe.
Cute, it's definitely a heart.
So,
Watch
oh,
this.
don't do that. Oh, we
You
could have opened the other.
broke the freaking crunch bar with your hands.
Yeah.
Well, it wasn't even.
All right,
Whatever.
I'm going in.
It's so. Try to pull it apart.
Oh my god!
Okay, I'm.
No, you
Ah.
can't. No, you can't eat that. You gotta bite off the thing and feel how.
I actually don't hate it.
Oh, it just got awful.
I mean, I don't like the texture.
When I try to bite into it, it's like.
No, this is bad.
Yeah, I don't like the texture, but like, if it was just a regular like crunchy cookie, it'd be fine to me. I like ginger like bread and stuff and ginger snaps. It's like a ginger snap, just
It
like
has,
a
like-
weird texture.
I don't like gingerbread. Nope. I guess we have one last thing inside of our crate of snacks.
Oh, this is like a full bag of chips.
Yerpies.
Ooh.
Yerpies.
Yerps.
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 What's that, Nate?
What's
Did
that,
I
Aaron?
say Tapsy?
Oh,
Looks like an E.
Fancy.
It does look like an E.
These savory potato snacks are made with a surprisingly delicious combination of cheese and onion flavor.
I might like this.
they contain gluten, peanuts, sesame seeds, soy, celery, mustard, and eggs.
Celery?
I'm interested.
Um,
I'm kind of like finally something kind of savory. Nate, what are you doing?
yeah, chill dog.
You're getting way too into this.
Oh, frickin'
Have you
Christ.
ever opened a bag of chips before?
I'm going in!
Alright.
Oh, oh, the
They
smell.
smell like pork rinds.
Yeah.
Hmm.
You know, stale as heck, first of all, but we're gonna not talk about that.
I don't think they're stale. I think that's just the texture of everything in Poland.
Oh!
We're
Oh!
gonna have some bad breath.
The flavor is so overpowering. And they're not even like dusted that much. Like ones are, but
This is orange.
I can't.
This crunch bar is the best thing I think.
Yeah, that crunch bar was honestly the best.
What's your best thing?
Just because I like candy more than chocolate, I like those things.
Those were good.
The little whoops. Well, let us know how you guys like this video.
Yeah, and if you want to see more of this,
Yeah.
comment down below. We'll definitely consider getting the next month package, maybe the premium one.
Yeah.
Snack Crate. Snack Crate is great.
Okay.
AKA from Nate.
Yeah. And if
Oh.
there is a certain place you might want to see us get one from, whether it be Ireland or any of the other choices, definitely let us know that too.
Can we post it on like what? Twitter, Instagram?
Twitter,
Post it all
Instagram.
on there. See which one everybody likes.
Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed.
Bye.
Have a great one. GoPro, stop recording. Let's go! Woo! We did it. Oh my god, my life is complete. GoPro, stop recording.